everyone, welcome. Today I will be conducting an experiment with red pepper seeds, and we're going to see if I can grow these. So we just have the core of a red pepper here with all of its seeds on it. We are going to plant those. This is garden soil, is in this pot right here. And this pepper I got at the grocery store. So we're just going to take the seeds off. We're going to put it into this pot here. And we're going to cover it with soil. We also have our pot here in a little container, since there are holes in the actual pot, so we're just going to put it in a container so that the water leaks out through the bottom. We're going to put a good amount of water. It is currently March 28th, 7:10 p.m. and we will come back soon to show you what our results are. We're also going to put the cellophane here, the wrapping, overward to give a greenhouse effect. Okay, so I would just like to give an update on the pepper. Just a reminder, how we did it was we took out this top part with all the seeds and we just basically scraped the seeds off and put it into the pot in the soil, and that was on March 28th. Today is April 9th, and as you can see here, we do have about 20 sprouts. So it has been around 11-12 days since we planted these, and they're already sprouting. Welcome back. So I'm going to be giving you an update on the peppers that we planted exactly a month ago, around March 28th to 29th. This just proves that you can grow peppers from store-bought peppers. As you can see here, I have a store-bought pepper. All I do is cut out the core and I have all of these seeds. You can even see them on the sprouts. So as you can see here, I just used these store-bought ones. And as you can see, some of them have already went through their first set of leaves. Some of them are already on their second set. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out. We're going to take a look at their root systems. We're going to see how developed they are. And then I'm going to replant it into a new pot. And I'm going to put them all together. I'm going to keep them together. So we're going to take a look at the root systems. As you can see here, it's pretty developed. Very healthy looking roots. So I'm just going to plant them in here. It does take a while to grow these. It took a month to get them to about this size. But you can use fertilizers or any other heat pads or anything like that if you'd like. I didn't use anything but the natural sunlight from my windowsill and occasionally watering them. So if you are going to repot them about an inch apart from one another and try to keep them in the same pot. We want to kind of have a community phenomenon in which they help each other out as members of one community. So just plant them 1 inch apart. You can get rid of any small ones if you don't need them. If you don't want to, just make sure you focus on the big ones and the ones that are pretty already well sprouted and well grown. Simply just poke a hole into the soil with your finger about 1 inch apart. And thank you so much for watching. I wish you luck on your endeavors if you are going to be trying to plant these peppers. Thank you for watching. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.